Hey, does your hair look like this and you've got frizzy hair all over your head? Well, today I've got some frizzy hair as well, but I'm gonna fix it. And good for you, I'm gonna tell you 5 different ways how you can fix your frizzy hair or even get rid of it for good. So in short, I can say that it is caused due to damage and dryness. Your hair is constantly thirsty. Tafi! And when you fail to moisturize it according to its requirements, your hair cuticles open up to let the moisture in the air get inside, and the excess moisture in the outer surrounding causes your hairs to swell up and you've got some frizzy hair. So if your hair is constantly remaining dehydrated, it is gonna get damaged and you are going to have some frizz. But good for you, there are a couple of things which you can do to prevent that frizz or even stop it from ever happening in the first place. So starting off with number 1, include coconut oil in your daily hair care routine. Coconut oil has endless benefits for your hair, and especially when it comes to frizz. Try to use pure organic coconut oil in your daily routine, and if that doesn't fit you, you can use the coconut oil to control your frizz in 2 different ways. First, you can use it as a hair mask. Just apply coconut oil down the length of your hair and let it sit there for a few hours, or you can use it as an overnight treatment as well. And when you wash your hair in the morning, you are going to have some really smooth looking hair, and of course there will be no frizz at all. And if you don't feel like washing or rinsing your hair or getting it wet, you can use it as a quick solution. Just take a small amount of coconut oil, maybe 2 to 4 drops on your palm, rub them together and apply on the ends of your hair or any frizzy hair that you might have. Okay, that's enough for the coconut oil. Moving on to number 2. Always use a conditioner. The real power of a hair conditioner is often underestimated. Make sure to use a conditioner every time you're done washing your hair to keep the cuticles hydrated so the moisture can get inside deeper each and every strand. This is going to prevent your hair cuticles from opening up and letting any moisture from the air get inside. Be sure to apply the conditioner from the mid-length of your hair down to the ends and try to keep it away from the roots to prevent oiliness. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and finding out something new and useful, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And also I've got some more hair related videos on my channel, so be sure you check them out as well. Let your hair air dry before you use a blow dryer. By letting your hair air dry, you're basically allowing it to dry without disrupting the hair strand, which is going to make your hair that much smooth. While the heat of a hair dryer can cause damage, using a blow dryer when your hair is already mostly dry is going to minimize the risk. Just be sure to keep the dryer on a low heat setting and keep it at least 6 inches away from your hair at all times, and be sure to move the dryer around constantly so that it doesn't overheat a certain area and cause any damage at all. Another thing that you can do to prevent your hair from getting frizzy is choosing a sulfate free shampoo. When selecting a shampoo, look for the products with glycerin listed in the ingredients list. The closer glycerin is listed to the top, the more concentrated it is going to be in that product. Glycerin helps combat frizz by penetrating and moisturizing your hair from the inside out. It also helps in absorbing that extra moisture in the air, creating a protective coating over your hair, which is going to keep the outer moisture outside and the inner inside. In addition to glycerin, ensure that the shampoo you are using is sulfate free. Sulfates are surprisingly a common ingredient in shampoos, basically because it creates lather. But the downside is sulfates strip the natural oils from the hair and can make it really dry, which leads to frizzy hair. Sulfate free shampoos, on the other hand, maintain the hair's natural oil levels, leaving the hair with even more moisture. Number 5. Use a nourishing hair oil. If you still can't eliminate the frizz once your hair is completely dry, try using nourishing hair oil. Hair oils fight the frizz by smoothing out the hair and adding gloss and shine to it. It penetrates deep into your hair cuticles to add moisture to the dry ends and regain health and vibrancy of your hair strands. Just have 2 to 4 drops of any nourishing hair oil that you prefer. Rub your palms together and apply it on the dry ends of your hair, and it is going to tame all the flyaways and frizz. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found out something new, and in case you did, a like and a sub will be really appreciated. See you guys around next